Well, hello, and a chilly good evening from us. Just want to offer some sort of a warm welcome on this coldest of evenings to those of you settling down in front of the fire. For the benefit of those who weren't aware, there was a pitch inspection here a couple of hours ago, as a result of which, gladly, it was deemed safe for the game to kick off as scheduled. The ground staff have done a really terrific job in clearing all of that snow, and their efforts, I am delighted to report, have indeed paid off. Well, this really is a great venue. It adds so much character to every game it stages. Arsenal have opted to go 3-4-3 by the looks of it here, Jim.
Well, I always feel, Peter, that central midfield is a big area of responsibility in this system. It's not as easy for the front three to get behind the ball quickly if one of the wing-backs is pushed on. Then the boys in the engine room have serious cover to provide. So a lot of hard work has to go into this, and at times you can get stretched. But boy, it can work at one end.
Well, if you did just miss it, we are up and running already. So this is round two between these two sides who have already met once this season. Nelson Semedo. Hoists it forward. Arsenal were imperious when the two sides last met, and the fans are asking for more of the same. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Was too timid to make it through the defence. It'll be noted and improved upon, I'm sure.
Raul breaks on here. Plays it out to the flank. I think that's a corner. Yes, it is. Has a hit! Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Good effort, very good effort. He would have at least wanted to make the keeper work out.
Cuts it out. Nelson Semedo. Keeper sends it forward. Forward it goes. Arsenal cushioned by the confidence of a narrow win in their last game. Got out for a throw-in. Neymar, and the weighted pass. Massive leap! And he's there to make a great save.
Oh, that's a sparkling save, absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra-sharp.
Moutinho. Seems now to be all about width.
Well, when you have the personnel to create in wide areas, then they need to see as much of the ball as possible.
Tries to get it forward quickly. And that is as far as they're going to go. Well, the first 15 minutes or so, always a time for teams to be on high alert, even more so if you are shown. And he's pulled him up for that challenge. Forward at pace. Jimenez not easily shrugged off the ball. Finds himself eased off the ball. Well played, he saw that coming. No goals as yet. Nelson Semedo. Moutinho. Well positioned to make that interception. Pogba drives it forward. Mbappe. Bolly. Moutinho. Nelson Semedo. Moutinho. Down by a lack of accuracy. Pogba. Mbappe. Mbappe battling down that right flank.
Well, I don't think it was the wisest option, Peter, once he got into that position. It's not as if he didn't have people nearby.
He's had a look. That's offside. Yes, it is. Keeper's got good distance on that. Dinks one in. Dangerous looking ball. And it's come to nothing. Neymar is on a run down the left wing. And it's played forward. And that's been levered clear. And it's Raul. Jimenez battles to win it back. Ruben Neves. 20 minutes gone. Played out to the right. In comes the delivery. In he flies! Ball's loose, who's getting there? Goes for goal! Good stop, wasn't easy.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Pogba. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Nelson Semedo. Looking to hit the front line. No messing about, just bludgeoned away. Pogba. Moutinho. And it's Raul. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Jimenez tried to play it through.
Peter, his body shape was a giveaway before he made the pass, and its obviousness was appreciated.
Alaba gets into the right position to intercept. Tries to get it forward quickly. Arsenal get it back again. Up towards the front line. He's played him through. There are a few waiting for it. Pogba. Gets the chance to cross. Header!
Arsenal really...
Popper! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Ball needed to be better there. It's a wasted chance. He's made sure that that won't get through. There is the half-time whistle. So the other team has broken through, but certainly not for the want of trying. It's an interesting game up to now, but still goals. So there was the first half.
What an end to the half, Peter. A lot of the best action of the half coming at the very end, and I get the feeling the second half may well start in similar fashion, as we'd love to see this momentum maintained, so I'm looking forward to what's to come.
Has a pop! A collective sigh of relief from the defence. Mbappe clips one through.
Arsenal really are almost trying to pass the ball through a brick wall at the moment. You can see the sense of anxiety has now shifted to the stands.
Plenty of appeals, but the referee is not interested. Nelson Semedo tries lifting it over, and help's available out wide.
Yeah, it looks like a change of approach, and it may just freshen things up.
And it's Neymar. There's a long ball. Great leap! No, he's got that completely wrong. Alaba gets it back.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
A real chance to break. Good challenge, he just stood firm. Mbappe. Well, that's where he wants it. Knocks it away. Tries to get it clear. Defending, albeit from an unexpected source.
I think it's great to see that kind of application and desire from the forward who wants to...
Whistle's gone, that's foul. Turns and goes, and the shot! Oh, just lacked a decent finish.
They're probably getting frustrated by the lack of chances, I suppose.
Has he found his man? Nelson Semedo. Semedo drives it forward. Hector Bellerin. And it's Neymar. And the counter is on. Hoists it forward. Oh, well intercepted, really alert to the danger. Leno. Tierney. Diawara goes looking, and he's straight offside. Rui Patricio gets it upfield. Pretty robust, but it's got the job done. Ball's come loose, and the chase is on. Forward it goes. Neymar. It's broken loose. It's Neymar! Yes, it's in! That really was a thing of beauty, curled in effortlessly.
Well, the ball flight may be unpredictable, but the predictable part was the technique. It screamed goal all the way.
Big occasion, big goal, crucial lead.
Well, that goal has got the whole stadium rocking here. This is exactly the kind of atmosphere the players should feed off now.
Well, that looks a foul. Yeah, referee's given it. Arsenal making another change here. So here he is, making his first appearance in new colours. And that has put paid to that. Brings it forward. And it's Neymar. Tierney. And the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. There's going to be another change here. Raul.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Keeper's ball. Oh, good interception. Raul. Ball through, needs to be good here. Shapes to shoot!
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Hoists it high.
This is good ball retention, and it should be enough from here, but they want to double their advantage.
Hardly anything between the sides, and the score is 1-0. He's had a
keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Adama Traore. Hits one!
Arsenal are clearly looking to kill this game off. It's keeping the ball away from the other end too.
Loses his balance and loses the ball. That'll be a throw-in.
Yeah, it's pretty obvious as to who was going to be taken off. His energy levels began to sag, and he was never going to last until the final whistle.
Rapidly approaching the end. Oh, that's a foul. Free kick's been given. He knew what was coming. That's a yellow card. It is just a question of running down the clock now. Pogba. And it's Pogba. Adama Traore.
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
This is gone, that's a foul. And it's Adama Traore. Arsenal. It's taken out, that will be a foul. And he's going to have his name taken.
Well, what possessed him to do that, Peter, I have no idea. It's not in keeping with the quality of the performance.
Just brushed off the ball there.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue the situation. It needs to be any time now, really.
He's on the back foot. He's through. Raul. Got a sight of goal here. Oh, that's a fine challenge. That's not going to make it. 4 extra minutes added on. Neymar's goal-scoring skills have already been evident. Mbappe chooses to go back. Good challenge, he just stood firm. And that will be the final act. What a game. End to end, it flew by, and in the end, it all came down to just the odd goal.
Yeah, it was a fairly stern test with very little between two teams that scrapped for everything.
And all that remains for me is to thank Jim Beglin. That's it from us.